This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, BMW Apps, heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and 12 perfectly positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.